boys and girls, I'm glad you made it to school today. Let's sing Hello Friend. Hello friend, how are you? I'm very happy to see you. Greet your neighbor, boogie on down. Give a jump and turn around. Hello friend, how are you? I'm very happy to see you. Greet your neighbor, boogie on down. Give a jump and turn around. Hello friend, how are you? I'm very happy to see you. Greet your neighbor, boogie on down. Give a jump and turn around. Oh, boys and girls, I'm glad you're here today. Let's move on to our weather. And as you can see, it's another sunny, warm day. So looking at the different types of weather, what is the weather like today? It is sunny. So let's go ahead and put another tally mark in our column where it says sunny. So I'm going to add another tally mark here. There we go. So now we don't have 7 anymore. Let's count. We know this group of tally marks is 5 because it has a line, slanted line going through it. So 5, 6, 7, 8. It is the 8th day of us having sunny weather. So let's go ahead and write the number 8. Remember, make an S and close the gate. Here we go. Make an S and close the gate. That is the number 8. 8 days of sunny weather. Okay, letter of the week is X. Uppercase X, lowercase x. Let's do it together and make the sound. The letter is X and the sound is X, X, X. Again, the letter is X and the sound is X, X, X. Great job, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and review our sight words. First one, I, straight and tall with a hat and shoes, I. Again, straight and tall with a hat and shoes, I. Last time, straight and tall with a hat and shoes, I. Can, C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. Last time, C-A-N, can. The, T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. We, W-E, we. W-E, we. Last time, W-E, we. C, S-E-E, C. S-E-E, C. A, A, A. A. Like. L-I-K-E, like. L-I-K-E, like. L-I-K-E, like. 2. T-O-2. 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 And. A-N-D, and. A-N-D, and. A-N-D, and. My. M-Y, my. M-Y, my. M-Y, my. Go. G-O, go. G-O, go. G-O, go. Is. I-S is. I-S is. I-S is. Good job, boys and girls. Now we've come up with sentences for the sight words I and can. So let's do sight word the today. Stop and think of a sentence. Stop and think. I'm thinking of one too. Oh, I know. The bird flew away. My sentence is the bird flew away. Now go ahead and share your sentence with your moms, dads, brothers, sisters, grandmas, and grandpas. Go ahead. All right, boys and girls, let's go ahead and move on. Let's do our beginning sounds. Today, the sound and letter we're looking for is the letter F. And the letter F makes the sound. Just like our alpha friend, Fifi, fish. F, Fifi, fish. So that's the sound we're looking for. We're looking for that sound. So here's my first picture. Egg, egg. Does that sound like an F? No. Egg makes the E sound. It's an E. How about girl? Girl. What letter makes that sound? G. It's the G, so it cannot go with the F, the sound. Oh, how about frog? Frog. Begins with the letter F, makes the sound. So we're going to put our frog in our chart. How about the color green? Green. No, that's G. Makes the G sound. How about this one? A fox. Fox. Does that begin with F and make the sound? Yes, it does. So it goes in our chart. How about elephant? Elephant. No, elephant is an E. Oh, look at this animal. This is a goat. Goat. Does that begin with the letter F, the sound? No. Oh, how about a fish? Fish. Does that go in our pocket chart? Letter F? Yes. So we have three pictures of words that begin with the letter F. We have frog, fox, and fish. Good job. I like how you're working on your beginning sounds. So let's go ahead and move on. And we're going to do something different today. I want to share with you how we're going to learn about number sentences. Boys and girls, we were doing this before we left, except we weren't really writing the numbers. We were talking about the stories that we made up, and we used the manipulatives to make our sentences, but we didn't really use the numbers, but now we're going to use numbers. So right here, this is what I'm going to use as my mat for you guys to watch. So I'm going to take my ducks here, and I'm going to put 2 ducks. And this is my number sentence. So 2, and we already know this sign was a addition sign. We're adding, we're putting the groups together. Addition sign. And then this is my equal sign. We're going to see what the 2 small groups added together makes one big group. So we're going to see what it makes. So right now I have 2 ducks. So I'm going to take my number 2. There's my 2 ducks. 2 ducks, number 2, same thing. Now I'm going to take my 1 duck and put my number 1 up here. So this number shows how many ducks I have here. 1, 2. This number 1, represents or shows how many ducks I have on this side. So 2 plus 1 equals. That means we're going to add them all together. So 2 plus 1 more duck. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3 equals 3 ducks. So then I need to put my number 3. So there we go. Here is my number sentence. So instead of using the ducks, I'm going to move this down. And here's my number sentence. And it's the same as the ducks. Instead of using 2 ducks plus 1 duck equals 3 ducks, I'm going to say 2 plus 1 equals 3. Let's do another one. Let's make it a little different. Here we go. I'll move this one over here and see if you can tell me what I should put all together. 3 ducks plus 2 ducks gives me how many ducks? 3 plus 2 equals how many? What's the number? That means we have to count the 3 ducks with the 2 ducks. So let's count them all together and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I know all together I have 5 ducks. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have all 5 ducks. And so my number sentence, this is my pictures. And that's what we were using before we left. We were using our pictures. 3 ducks plus 2 ducks equals 5 ducks. But now I want you to start using numbers. So we're going to take this down and we're going to use numbers. So this up here is the same as this. This is just a number sentence. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Same thing, 3 plus 2 equals 5 with ducks, and then 3 plus 2 equals 5 with numbers. Exactly the same thing. All right, boys and girls. We'll continue doing our math problems with our number sentences and working on these we'll try one every day, but right now I showed you 2 so you would kind of understand what I'm talking about when I say number sentences. This is the number sentences. Up here we use pictures, down here we're going to use numbers, and we'll try to do at least 1 or 2 a day. So be practicing. You need to know your numbers, and you need to know how to count and make one group out of the 2 groups we have. So right now this is addition. We're adding, we're putting groups together. Let's go ahead and move on and do our ABCs. Let's sing it together, boys and girls, moms and dads. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, number rock. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 18, 19, 20, let's go, singing the number rock. I said let's go, singing the number rock. Letter sounds. Let's use our Alpha Friend cards to do letter sounds. Here we go. Who let the A out? Out, 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 out. Who let the B out? B, 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 b. Who let the C out? K, 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 k. Who let the D out? D, 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 d. Who let the E out? Eh. Who let the F out? Who let the G out? G, 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 g. Who let the H out? Who let the I out? I, 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 I. Who let the J out? J, ch, ch, ch. Who let the K out? K, 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 k. Who let the L out? Ooh, 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 ooh. Who let the M out? Who let the N out? Who let the O out? Ah, 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 ah. Who let the P out? Pa, 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 pa. Who let the Q out? Qua, 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 qua. Who let the R out? Who let the S out? S, 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 s. Who let the T out? T, 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 t. Who let the U out? Who let the V out? V, 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 v. Who let the W out? W, 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 w. Who let the X out? X, 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 x. Letter of the week. Who let the Y out? Y, 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 y. Who let the Z out? Z, 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 z. Good job. Okay, I want to show you our plant. It's still growing. I'm still giving it water. Once it gets a little bigger, I think I'm going to have to plant it in another container because this one's a little small. So there we go with our plant. And boys and girls, yesterday I asked you to send me a message on Remind, have your mom and dad do it for you, and tell me what is your favorite weather. Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it windy or rainy? Sophia already sent me her message and she says her favorite weather is the rain. So I need to get your messages to tell me what you like, what weather is your favorite, so I can make a chart and then we can see which weather that everybody likes the most. So don't forget, tell mommy and daddy, send my teacher a message, tell them the weather I like. Okay, let's go ahead. Gonna wish everyone well. Roy, Jessica, Cesar, Layla, Sophia, Anubis, Kevin, Valerie, Summer, Juan, Angel, James, Helen, Nicholas, Anze, and Annabelle. I'm going to wish you all well. Have a great time at home. It's nice and sunny. Maybe you can go out in your backyard for a little while and enjoy the sunlight. I wish you all well. I wish you well. We wish you well. All through the day today, we wish you well. Goodbye, boys and girls. We'll see you tomorrow.